Hi everybody, hope you're all keeping well. This week I'm going to be making some banana and walnut bread. So give me the old thumbs up and subscribe if you're new here. Let's have a look at the ingredients. Here we have the ingredients for the banana and walnut bread. So we've got two fairly overripe bananas here. So they're going to be taken out of their skins and mashed up with a fork. We've got about 3 ounces or 80 grams of chopped walnuts. We got 4 ounces or 125 grams of light brown sugar. The same of butter here, we got 4 ounces or 125 grams of butter. Probably need to put this into the microwave, or if it's a warm day, leave it out for a while to soften, because we're going to be beating that together in a minute. And we've got 8 ounces or 250 grams of self-raising flour, 2 eggs, and then we're going to need a teaspoonful of vanilla essence. So we're going to take the mashed up banana, the sugar, the butter, the eggs, a teaspoonful of the vanilla essence, put it into a bowl, mix it all up to it's smooth. Then we'll fold in the flour gently, and then we'll add in the walnuts. I've kept some walnuts separately to decorate the top of it, so I've got some whole walnuts I'm going to put on the top. These were actually whole walnuts. What I've done is I put them in a freezer bag and beat them with a rolling pin just to break them up. So let's combine all the ingredients, and I'll come back and show you the final result. There's everything mixed up, bar the flour and the walnuts. So now we're going to take the flour and we're going to gently put some of it in and fold it into the mixture. Making sure it combines well. Take your time doing this, just fold it in. See, it starts to thicken up. Mix it well, but at the same time, not too well. You're just folding the flour in, trying to reduce the lumps. You can sieve the flour beforehand before you put it in to help reduce the lumps. And we're just going to take the walnuts and again simply fold them in. Now, if you don't have to walnut, so if you have a nut allergy, you could stop at this point, not add the nuts in, and just bake it as it is. To one side, so I've got my loaf tin. I've pre-prepared this. What I've done is got some paper towel with some butter on it, smeared it around the inside. Now we'll take the mixture and pour it in. Now we'll take some of the whole walnuts and just put them across the top just for a bit of crunch on the top. You can use just broken bits of walnut if you wish. So now we're going to pop that in an oven at 170 degrees. That's about 345, 350 Fahrenheit for about 50 minutes. We'll take it out, we'll pierce it to make sure it's cooked. I'll show you that in a moment anyway. If you find when you're putting it in the oven and it's not cooked enough and it's starting to go dark brown, burning on the top, put a piece of tin foil over it to help reduce that burning. So into the oven, middle shelf, 170 degrees, about 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 50 minutes. We'll pop that in now. So I've taken it out after about 40 minutes to test it, to see how it's baking. I'm going to take a wooden skewer, you see here, and I'm going to pop it in. If it comes out with some mixture still on it, then I know it's not ready and it needs to go back into the oven for another 10 minutes. There we go, it's been 50 minutes, it's out of the oven now. I'm just going to check it again to see if it's cooked. And you can see there now the skewer is coming out clean. So I'm going to leave that for another 10 minutes to cool off before I turn it out onto a cooling rack, and then we'll have a look at it. So there we go, baked to perfection. It's out in the cooling rack now. Probably want to leave it for about another hour to cool completely before slicing it. And then you can serve it up. If you want to preserve it, wrap it in a bit of tin foil and greaseproof paper, and it will keep for about 2 to 3 days. So there we go, there's banana and walnut bread. Hope you enjoyed that recipe. So don't forget to give me the old thumbs up and subscribe if you're new here. I'll pop another video here and here, the old subscribe button in the middle. So thanks for watching, I'll see you next time. Bye for now.